Hello guys, good evening. I'm gonna marinate this chicken for tomorrow. Fried chicken. I'm gonna make fried chicken with this chicken tomorrow. But before I marinate, I wash it properly. Squeeze lemon and salt. I marinate this chicken. That what do you call that in Tagalog is malangsa. It will remove the smell of the chicken. How is your day, everyone? Tomorrow is Wednesday, middle of the week. Every time I cook fried chicken, I want the chicken to marinate one day before or overnight marinate before I cook it, so that the taste of the chicken will tasty until inside the meat of the chicken. I need to squeeze with lemon with salt and wash it properly before I marinate. Tomorrow I'm gonna fry this one. This is my menu tomorrow. Fried chicken. I marinate this with lemon, salt, black pepper. Before I fry it, I dip it in egg and corn flour with all-purpose flour mixed with all-purpose flour and a little corn flour. After I dip the egg into the egg and I dip it in the flour. See. Because if this chicken after you season it and cook it right away, it's not tasty because the flavor of the chicken is the marination is only on top. There is no flavor inside the meat. That's why it's better to marinate overnight before you cook it. Or just squeeze lemon, salt and black pepper, ground black pepper.